Hey guys, those of you that know me know that I've been wanting to learn to sew and handle a sewing machine for quite some time. And I tried to share with you my progress and everything, but I started maybe on the wrong machine. I started with the Singer Heavy Duty. Then I was impressed by the name and I thought if it's heavy duty, then it can, it can compensate for my incompetent skills of sewing. But it turned out to be one of the worst sewing machines for beginners. It just, and the threads, it was all problem. So I switched to something more traditional, brother, the beginners, one of the beginners versions that they brought up. And look, everything is so nice, everything is so cute, everything is so crisp. Look at that. You just look at this, shoes were kind of stitched.